Do you have an idea that could help others? Do you want to make a difference in the world by sharing your idea? If you answered yes and yes, I believe I can help you. Hello, I'm Roger Killen, the founder of Get Inspired Talks. In 2013, I produced the first TEDx Stanley Park event. Since then, I've spent over 10,000 hours helping experts make a difference in the world with their fresh ideas. This experience has convinced me that the likelihood of an idea flying or dying is heavily influenced by 4 drivers. These are the idea itself, your reach, your impact, and your resources. Let's examine the first of these 4 drivers, your idea. Your idea inspires and lights you up. It must do the same for others if it's going to achieve its difference-making potential. The more your idea has certain attributes, the greater is the likelihood that others will accept, adopt, and apply it. When they do, they'll launch the movement that will make the difference in the world that you want to make. 8 attributes give really strong legs to your idea. Together, these attributes form a checklist that helps you judge if your idea has what it takes to launch a movement or if it needs some more work. These attributes form the acronym PANTHERS. The first attribute is that your idea can withstand peer review. The science and logic behind your idea must be rock solid. Your idea must not be based on pseudoscience or armchair philosophy. The second attribute is actionable. Your idea must be easily implemented by most people. The more the implementation requires specialized knowledge, skills, or equipment, the smaller will be your pool of potential adopters. The third attribute is new. Your idea must be fresh. It can be a new tool, technique, or technology. The more disruptive your idea, the more excitement it infuses. This helps captivate people. The fourth attribute is topical. Your idea's time has come. It must address a current, in-the-news problem. If your idea fixes a problem with buggy whips, no one will care. The fifth attribute is high impact. Your idea needs to have a big and quick impact on the problem that it addresses. When influencers and early adopters experience positive early results, they'll spread the word enthusiastically. The sixth attribute is emphatic. Your idea needs to address a problem that has high emphasis or importance in people's lives. The problem your idea addresses cannot be unimportant or trivial. The seventh attribute is relevant. Your idea must address a problem that is relevant to a large number of people. The eighth attribute is specific. The scope and scale of your idea must be manageable. It must not be so large as to be overwhelming. For example, an idea to fix global pollution will likely go nowhere, but an idea that addresses plastic bottles in the North Pacific has a fighting chance of launching a movement. Here are examples of ideas with these 8 attributes. These ideas were all rolled out from the Vancouver Get Inspired Talk stage in October 2018. Candace Platter's idea was that addicts would overcome their addiction when they felt empowered to choose not to use. Cal Meisner's idea was that dissatisfied employees had a simple 3-step alternative to living lives of quiet desperation. Jacqueline Way's idea for a happier life was to consciously do one small act of giving every day. Peter Ladner's idea was to save us money and time and give us healthy exercise by thinking outside the car as we navigate our cities. Sabrina Smy's idea was to solve complex personal and professional problems using a 4-step process called EPIC. You can watch these talks at the URL you see in the middle of this slide. Now let's return to the 8 attributes. Your idea does not have to be rocket science, but it does need these attributes if it's to gain maximum traction. These attributes inspire influencers and activate early adopters to support a grassroots movement. It is this grassroots movement that makes the difference in the world that you want to make. This completes my thoughts on the 8 attributes of your idea that will powerfully influence the likelihood of it making the difference in the world that you want to make. In the next video, I'm going to examine the second of these 4 drivers, your ability to reach audiences. Now, 3 action steps, please. First, share this video with people in your life who have an idea that could help humanity, but they're not doing anything with it. How sad is that? Second, in the comments section below, tell me a little bit about your idea. Third, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please do so and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload the next video. Until then, Roger and out.